Here is our GR24 car. At the time we're recording, the car isn't finished, so each of these mounts are temporary. Later on, we'll use brackets and some glue to make a more permanent mounting. So here are the brake pressure sensors. They are connected to the central MCU located at the front of the car. Here are the two front satellite mounts. If you see that blue 3D printed piece, when we mount this permanently, we'll have another piece that we can glue on, and that'll make sure that the box doesn't fall off. You see there's a PCB inside each of these boxes with connectors on the outside, and these wires will go head to one wheel. Right now they're in the open, but we'll sheet them when we're able to mount everything permanently. Here is the IMU. It's responsible for the wheel's orientation, just to make sure that our wheel isn't in the wrong angle. Here is the brake temperature sensor, and it'll be mounted in the same general area but pointing towards the brake. And here's the wheel speed sensor, looking at that gear and able to get the rotation from that. On the software side of things, here's an example output from one of the satellite modules. If you look on the left-hand side, you'll see that we're displaying tire temp, brake temp, suspension, and last RPM. If you look at the graph, you can see that all these values are actually getting updated real time. So if we move the suspension travel, that'll get updated. If we point the temperature sensors at something at like a little bit hotter or a little bit colder than before, then that'll get updated. And the last RPM also will get updated as the wheel spins. This information is right now only on one satellite, but do keep in mind that this is replicated across all four of the wheels. So the central will receive 4 times the amount of information. We're only displaying one of the satellite nodes just to make it a little bit more readable. And here we have just the raw data. Each of these cells get updated with the newest CAN package. So we can see that they're getting updated fairly quickly.